this is being described as a pandemic among the unvaccinated. Health officials are saying everyone still needs to take precautions and remain on alert. Researchers at UT Southwestern unveiled their latest COVID-19 forecast, predicting a surge in cases and hospitalizations by October that would be worse than last summer's surge. It's being driven by a combination of the Delta variant, now accounting for 90% of new cases in North Texas, and unvaccinated people in public more often not wearing masks.
I just want to wait for it to be 100% guarantee.
It didn't take long for us to find people who weren't vaccinated. Wednesday, Daniel Martin says he is still nervous about getting the shot, but he says he still wears his mask.
I still kind of feel like some people are still kind of uncomfortable with being around other people that's not wearing masks, so I just to make myself and others still feel comfortable.
For others, their reason is different.
I have issues right now with my breathing. I have asthma, and on top of that, I have lupus.
Jennifer Torres, who has health conditions that could make a COVID infection worse, says she has concerns about the safety of the vaccine. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recommends people with asthma and other underlying conditions get the vaccine.
I already have my own issues. I don't need more.
In a press conference Wednesday, UT Southwestern doctors said 82% of all new COVID cases this month in Dallas County are from people who aren't vaccinated, and close to 100% of hospitalizations this month are for those who have not received the vaccine. The North Texas region continues to see more COVID patients in hospitals. The latest count, 949, up 38 from Tuesday.
This has led to what has tragically been called a pandemic among the unvaccinated.
Dr. Brad Cottrell with UT Southwestern says if North Texas continues on this current trajectory, by October, we could return to surge levels worse than we saw in July of 2020.
If we're able to double our pace of vaccination and return to levels of masking and physical distancing in the public, particularly for those who are not vaccinated, we still have a chance to bend the curve.
In Houston, Governor Abbott was asked about if he will allow mask mandates, at least for schools.
Everyone has had more than a year to master all the safe strategies that they can choose that's best for them and their family members. We're past the time of government mandates. We're into the time for personal responsibility.
Now, when it comes to hospitals, every hospital is different, but I'm told from some people inside of our larger hospitals that some of their COVID units never closed. The beds capacity just reduced because cases and hospitalizations were going down, but I'm told some of our major hospitals are expecting them to possibly be full as early as the next 2 weeks, at least one of the units. Heather?
Yeah, all right, we'll keep watching the numbers. Stephen, thank you.